Fosters. Have all. Oh yeah. Good place though, eh? It's Mexican. Everything is gonna change. We're feeling fit. Oh no, here comes the foam burps. Well, I'm giving up already. I think Damien's got it. Oh shit. What? I don't actually feel sick. Oh god, it's another full plate. Oh my. Oh, that's such a. What is... Yeah, I think they've just they've packed that with sugar. It's a Mexican beverage apparently, it's supposed to be. Oh fuck, that was so close. Went below. Mate, it's just so... Oh, mate. It can take a while, apparently. You feel it already? It's been instant for you. Oh. Actually, no, I can feel it. It goes quite bubbly. Quite bubbly. That's exactly what I was. Right, try surviving. No, I don't feel good now. Oh well, I think I might.
A minute a bit.
It's the foam. Stomach cramp. Listen to that foam.
Lager, by the way. Fucking hate lager.
I need to get the foam out. Need to. How we doing?
Alright.
You're going to catch up those last bits at the end, are you? This is so difficult because they're warm as well. You've got to see me try this later on.
Can't you remember my 18th or 19th birthday when your brother brought me 5 pints and I downed them all? I would have done.
I can feel it coming.
It's going to get you.
Seconds.
Oh, I'm not. Let's put it on the paper. This challenge is going to be never going to be puke free.